welcome Kathleen and Sherry Ken! Palakpakan!
Good evening, everyone. I'm Kath, one of the besties of the bride. First of all, congratulations to the both of you. I know how stressed you are from planning up until matapos ang preparations. Kamalugin ko headsay. Charot. Kaya na-achieve ang gusto nyo matabo sa wedding nyo. A little background lang, a little story lang sa friendship naman ni Joy Joy. Sa first year, hindi kami niya close, kay hindi ko yung mag-approach sa iya, kay Kamalita, sang tsura, ya, kilay pa lang. Charot. Sa second, dahil, sa second year, nagsugod amon friendship, nga every time may mag-away sa akon, bisan galain, na yung pamatsyag, ya, to the rescue, ginasaya dayon. Yes, tapos opera. Malita niya si Joy Joy, but with a good heart. Mainit ni siya, ya. Mapautwas lang sa kagmabal. Bay lang daday, si Lord na lang na bahala sa ila. Tsare. Diba? Anyways, Joy, my heart... Anyways, Joy, my heart is so happy seeing you walk down the aisle earlier. Dahil super, dahil pugong hibi, dahil kay kanulong sa makeup. Char. God has finally answered your prayers. He gave you the right man that will stand and fight for you no matter what. We're friends for more than a decade. You've been through a lot, and I've witnessed your pain and struggles. And I'm amazed and proud of how you handled and overcame all of those on your own. And for the longest time, you've been a strong, independent woman. Kabalogid ko ya, dahil nga hindi ka mga help sa iban, basta masarangan mo lang. Subong ya, dahil pwede ka na maging vulnerable or maging soft girl. Kaya ginhatag na ni Lord sa imo, ang imo partner in life, nga maging ara para sa imo through highs and lows. Anto nunoy, ay no, ready ka na, kagang pasensya mo. Kaya gi-transform ni kisa si Joy Joy into dragon. Pati ka na, just continue to choose each other every day, and I'm praying for a healthy, happy, and harmonious married life as you start your own family. Kay you both deserve all the good things this life has to offer. Love you guys. Gabi pala pag-gumpo.
And I thank you. Dala na to gali. Naog na to dahil kay laba-laba. Ano yung mga ni Guro? Essay. Okay. Good evening sa tanan. Ako gali si Sherkin. Sala na daw nakabutang kay Karinal. Hindi pa kuya pa single ako Japon niya. Hindi ako pag Daniel sino nagsulat. Okay, sige lang iba tunon tana. Okay, our message ko na English. Prepared ko daan sa English, Mr. Jarnald. Okay. To my dear BFF, Kristen Joy Legaspi, we've known each other since high school, when life was still innocent and dreams were spoken without fear. Ay, sorry, nag-end. Nag-poet. We weren't together all the time, but the moments we shared mattered. The random conversations, the quiet support, the laughter that came easily, and memories we didn't know would last this long. As we grow older, life happened. We changed, we had misunderstandings, moments when pride and distance tested us, and times when we didn't fully understand each other anymore. You know naman. But even then, the friendship stayed. It didn't disappear. It grew up with us. And that's how I knew it was real. Christine, I've seen you grow into someone strong, thoughtful, and full of love. Seeing you today, stepping into this new chapter, reminds me how far you've become. From the girl I met in high school to the woman choosing a lifetime of love. Yee! Ay, sus ako lang kaliyan. To Mr. Jordanald, thank you for loving my friend and choosing her every day. Yeah! Marriage will not always be easy, but with patience, understanding, and respect, it always be worth it. Take care of her heart, stand beside her in every season, and grow with her, just as we do all in life. May this marriage bring you peace, strength, and a love that grows deeper with time. From high school memories to this beautiful moment, I am so proud of you and so happy for you both. From then to now, to everything still ahead, I'm so happy for you and I'll always be here. Love you both.